はい、皆さんこんにちは。日本語ムークへようこそ。今日はこれ、それ、あれを勉強しましょう。Hello everyone, welcome to Japanese MOOC. Today we are going to study これ、それ、あれ。In a clothing store, you might say something like, Okay, I'm going to take this one and that one. In Japanese, this one is これ and that one is either それ or あれ. I'm going to explain the differences between それ and あれ shortly. これ is used when the speaker refers to things around the speaker, near the speaker, right by the speaker. And それ is used when the speaker refers to things that are near the listener. And あれ is used when referring things that are away from both the speaker and the listener. Okay, for example, let's say I'm shopping for t-shirts in this clothing store. And the woman who is doing shopping, okay, this is me. And the woman in white, so she's a shop worker. So if I want to know how much this yellow t-shirt is, I might refer to this shirt with これ because I'm touching it and it's right by me. And if I want to know how much this red t-shirt is, again I would use これ because it's right by me. But if I want to know how much this black t-shirt is, I would use それ because it's closer to the listener. And again, if I want to know how much this yellow t-shirt is, again, I would use それ. On the other hand, if I want to know how much the white t-shirts over there is, then I would use あれ because it's away from both me and the listener. And the same thing for these blue t-shirts. I would refer to these blue t-shirts with あれ because it's away from both the speaker and the listener. Okay, let me give you more examples. Again, this woman with a red star, this is me. And the yellow t-shirts that I'm touching, this is これ from my perspective. And red t-shirts, これ. White t-shirts, これ. So I would refer to these shirts with これ because I can touch them. They're within my reach. And they are closer to me than to the listener. Okay, and these black t-shirts, white t-shirts, yellow t-shirts, light blue t-shirts, they are all それ because they are closer to the listener than to me. And these white t-shirts, gray t-shirts, well, all the t-shirts in this area. I would refer to these t-shirts with あれ because they are away from both me and the listener. So again, これ、それ、あれ、それ、あれ、これ、あれ、これ、それ。Okay, now let's imagine this is you. And practice saying これ、それ、あれ from your perspective. So from your perspective, this one would be これ right. So I'm going to give you like 2 to 3 seconds to answer, and then I'll tell you the right answer. So this one would be これ this それあれそれこれあれそれこれあれ Okay, did you get it? Okay, let's practice a short dialogue. So I'm shopping for t-shirts and I want to know how much this yellow t-shirt is. I would ask, すみません、これはいくらですか？すみません、これはいくらですか？ how much is this? And let's say this t-shirt is 600 yen. And the shop worker will respond, それは600円です。それは600円です。She uses それ because this yellow t-shirt is closer to the listener, which is me. Okay, let's practice pronunciation. Please repeat after me. すみません、これはいくらですか？すみません、これはいくらですか？それは600円です。それは600円です。So now I want to know how much this black t-shirt is. I would say, すみません、それはいくらですか？ Repeat after me. すみません、それはいくらですか？ And let's say this is 500 yen. So she would say, これは500円です。Repeat after me. これは500円です。So she uses これ because she's holding this t-shirt and it's closer to the speaker. Okay, so now I want to know how much this t-shirt is. I would say, すみません、あれはいくらですか？ Repeat after me. すみません、あれはいくらですか？すみません、あれはいくらですか？ So let's say it's 700 yen. She would say, あれは700円です。Repeat after me. あれは700円です。あれは700円です。So both of us use あれ because the t-shirt is away from both the speaker and the listener. Okay, now let's assume that you are the shopper and I am the shop worker. So you want to ask me how much things are. So let's say you want to find out how much this red t-shirt is. You'd say, それは700円です。Did you say, すみません、これはいくらですか？ If so, good job. Okay, now you want to find out how much this t-shirt is. You'd ask, あれは500円です。Did you use あれ? Good. So now let's find out how much this yellow t-shirt is. これは400円です。Did you use それ? Yes. Okay, how about this one? Go ahead. あれは600円です。Did you use あれ? Good. So now, how about this one? Go ahead. それは500円です。So did you use これ? Good. Okay, now these light blue t-shirts. Go ahead. これは300円です。Did you use それ? Good. Okay, so these are the lesson for これ、それ、あれ.